A lot of our clients, when they're looking at moving towards Oracle Cloud, see the advantage of moving to one integrated platform. And that's one of the great advantages that Oracle offers, is having your enterprise planning and cloud services, your management reporting, and your operational systems like your supply chain and enterprise planning all in one integrated suite, and being able to move your data and your processes across all of the different tools. When moving to the cloud, there's a lot of opportunity to speed the close, to look for patterns, to get insights without having to rely on people to do it. There's a lot of interest in robotic process automation to streamline manual tasks, automating the maintenance of the systems and having them heal themselves and tune themselves. One of the real benefits of moving to a cloud platform across the organization was to standardize the tools and technology in the cloud, which gives you the lower cost of ownership. The real benefit is to the organization. As 1,000 finance organizations move between divisions and business units, previously they had to learn the tools and the structures. Now it's a common platform, it's a common interface, and when you jump from group to group, you don't have to learn the technology or the tools or the structure of how to be effective. You can really focus on running the business. An automated system with machine learning is going to be able to process probably 99% of the paper passing through your organization in record time. A lot of manual work is going to go away and be replaced with higher end work.